Good morning and welcome to continuing with our notes on 6-1 and graphing translations today. Something that we need to add to our knowledge is a different notation for doing translations. So as you can see on the notes here, you can see that there's a different notation we're going to go over. So just before we start, let's remember our graphing ordered pairs rule, okay? So I'm going to zoom this in. Our ordered pairs rule is the first coordinate, the x-coordinate, is going to tell you whether you go to the left if it's negative, okay? If it's negative, and you're going to go to the right if it's positive. And then our second one is going to tell us if we go down if it's negative, and we're going to go up if it's positive. Okay, so when we're graphing, that's our rule. Now, translation, remember, means that we're going to slide a figure. Okay, and so what we want to do is we can slide it left, we can slide it right, we can slide it up or down, or we can do a combination. And yesterday we did it all in words, but today this is the translation notation without words. So x plus 2, what that's telling you is that we're going to go right, because that's positive here, 2. It means we're going to go move our points right 2 units. And then y plus 5 on the second one means we're going to go, then we're going to move up 5 units. Okay, and so all we're looking at here is if we're positive or adding, we're going to go right in the first one. If we're adding here, we're going to go up. So that's how we do that. That's how we're going to move it. So what this would mean is x minus 1, it means we're going to go left this time, 1 unit. And then the next one means we're going to go down, then go down, in this case, 2 units. Okay, this one, next one, x minus 3. So you can have a combination here. So since it's minus 3, we're going to go left 3, this time. And then the next one is adding. So then we would go up 3. Okay, and so we just move every point in those directions. Last but not least, this would mean go up or go right 4, because it's positive. Go right 4 units. And then y minus 1 would be, we'd have to go down 1 unit. All right. So this is how we would move our points for all of our figure, okay? And so that's the notation that's new today. All right, let's do an example of it. So it says plot, and the word plot, just to remind you, means we have to graph, okay? So plot means graph the polygon. Polygon means shape. MATH, which has vertices. Vertices are corners. M negative 2, 4, A negative 2, 1, and T 0, 0, H 1, 3 on the coordinate plane, which is the graph on the grid. Okay. All right. So we have to do this first. So we have to do negative 2, 4 first. So negative 2, 4, remember, we can use this. It means to start off, we're going to go left 2, and the 4 is positive, so we'll go up 4. So we're going to go left 2, up 4, and we're going to label that M. All right, next one is negative 2, 1. That means we're going to go left 2 and up 1. So left 2, up 1 is right here. That's going to be labeled A. Then we're going to go 0, 0. That means we go nowhere and go nowhere. So we're going to go right to the middle. This is the spot 0, 0, labeled T. Ooh, we better move that up a little bit, huh? All right, and then the last one is H1, 3. Those are both positive, so we're going to go right and up. Okay, so we're going to go right 1 and up 3, and that's our H. And then you want to connect them so that you have an actual polygon. And that's the original. That's called the pre-image. Okay, and so then we got to read what it says to do. So it says down here, it says graph the figure, the image of the figure math under a translation now. So the translation means we're going to slide this guy, and now we got to read this. X plus 1 in the first one means we got to go right 1. And then y minus 3 means we're going to go then down 3 on the same coordinate plane. So we're going to move everything right 1 and down 3. So let's start with m. I'm going to count here, okay? Go right 1 and then 1, 2, 3 down, and it's on the other one. That's okay. It's going to overlap. Label it m prime. Then we'll do a. Go right 1, boop, and down 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's A prime, T, right 1, down 1, 2, 3, T prime, and then finally H prime, right 1, down 1, 2, 3, and then reconnect them. And this is our translation. We just completed that translation there, okay? So here's our original, here's our new one. The original, remember, is called the pre-image. And then the new one that we just made when we translate it is called the image. Okay. And then we have a couple questions that go with it, right? So underneath it, it says, if side TH is 2.1 units, what other side length do we know? So that what they're talking about, TH is up here, right here. See it? T to H. If you measured that with the ruler, it would be 2.1 units. What that means is that the corresponding side, T prime H prime, is also that. So the other side length that we know is T prime H prime is equal to 2.1 units as well. It's going to be the same. All right, if the measure of angle A, that's what that says, is 107 degrees, so up here, this angle A is 107, all right, that guy right there, that means A prime that matches it is also 107. We know that one. That means the measure of angle A prime is also equal to 107 degrees. We know that because sides and angles have the same measurement, okay? Angles, I should say corresponding sides and angles have the same measurement. Same measure. Okay. Boop. There we go. And that's the notes for today. That should help you do the assignment. The assignment looks like this. It's translations number 1 worksheet. And it has the original on there. And then it tells you to graph the translation according to translation notation. And the back side, it's already graphed for you. You have to tell what happened. Okay. All right. Good luck. Have a great day. If you need any help, please email me.